Here's the easiest way to build a moss pole for your climbing indoor plants.
First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my PVC pipe, stick it in the pot, and I'm going to use my Sharpie to mark where I want the moss to go to, which is just about where it will go under the dirt in the pot. So then, just out of the way, my scissors. I'm going to unroll and I just called this moss, but this is the cocoa nut liner. It cuts very easily with scissors. And I'm going to see how much width I need.
Then I used a combination of my stapler and a hot glue gun to attach the cocoa roll to the PVC pipe. Basically put staples every 6 inches or so and then hold down the excess with hot glue. Wrap it on one side, then wrap the cocoa roll all the way around. It's good to have overlap. You can even wrap it around the whole thing so it's got a nice thick layer for your roots to grow into, and then staple and hot glue it in place.
I'm going to place this in my pot. Just going to kind of lay it for now. It'd be helpful if I had a second set of hands, but I don't. And I'm going to first add pebbles. Alright, so I just got 2 pothos plants. I had just in these plastic pots, and I'm going to move them. Alright, and I got some just natural colored thread twine that I'm going to cut some ties.
Move your tower into a sunny location. I like indirect light for my pothos. Water it and keep that pole misted with your spray bottle to help the roots grow into it.